So today is the last session for Shisha. So here, anyone opted only for Shisha? Can you raise your hands? Only for Shisha. Okay, one. Okay, only one person. Fine. So remaining others. So from day after tomorrow, means from Wednesday, we'll have our regular MVC start will class will start. Okay. Same 6 to 7 a.m. only. So if you people needed any more information, you can connect with our admin, Hari Prasad. You know, right? His number, we have his number in our current WhatsApp group. Okay. Okay, fine. I'm just sharing my screen. So we'll finish the topic and after some time we'll close the session also. Okay. So I hope so those who regarding any fees, queries and all, you can connect with our admin Hari Prasad. So he can help you guys in that. If he is not responding something, you can message me. I will ask him to speak with you. Okay. So he is also so much busy. Done. So so I think you people did not took that class library program, right? So we'll go from there. Okay, so first I'm sharing my screen, right? Are you guys able to see my screen? Yes. So people are so dull because today last class of C sharp, what? So we'll learn so many things in MVC. MVC will be so much easy, and so currently one batch is going on. It will complete in next 15-20 days. So we'll make it easy actually. Okay, guys, just note down class library code again. So simple. I just kept so from where I will get these two values means from text boxes, and here I'm adding and I'm returning these things. We'll see. You guys got that message for new batch like from Wednesday. Okay, maybe they will share, but anyway, that got scheduled. I mean I got that notification. That's why. Anyway, people have that group. If someone got the message or something, just share in that group so that everyone can use that. Okay. Or you can visit this Narasite website also. The class library, you don't know what is class library? So please refer our class library topic, Gopi. So we have discussed that multiple times. Okay, done, right? So, see, first thing, we need to create the class library project. After that, we need to create the Windows Form project. So that part is done. So class library code. So if you feel you can reuse some part of code, then we'll write a class library code there. Okay, complete class library code and build the solution. After completion of the solution, what you are doing, you are building the solution. From here, you can build the solution, or in the solution explorer, click on project name and build. Anything is fine, anything will work for us. Okay, this is done. I'm closing my Visual Studio. Now, Windows Form, this one, and 4/8/2023, this one only mostly, we'll see. So after starting this MVC session, we'll plan for one lab session. After completion of ASP.NET, the initial stage of programs, we'll plan for. So can you people raise how many are from this Hyderabad Amirpet? Or somewhere in Hyderabad, who can come to lab? I know other locations. So I know some people are from Bangalore or some people are from other locations. They cannot come for sure. Only two people. Sandhya, you are from Hyderabad, right? Chandrika. Suresh, okay. Only three. Okay. Four people. Not four exactly. I know Chandrika, but she's maybe not in Hyderabad. She's our MVC student also. Okay, maybe four people. Okay, fine. So now people see. So here now what we are doing, give a class. So first thing, after completion of that Windows form, I just designed my code here. So what I kept, two text boxes and one button, value one text box, value two text box. When I click on my button, I should get some output. I don't write any code for sum, for calculating sum, but I will get that output from where? My class library. Okay. That's the reason, double click on button. So first thing, give the class library reference. Okay. Give, not it is give. Add the class library from reference folder. Okay. How you will do that? Okay. So now Solution Explorer, right click on references, add reference. So wherever you previously created the class library, just give that reference. So where can you will get it when at the time of creation of project you will get it. But anyway, we have here, double click on it, project name, bin debug, select the DLL file, click on add. Okay, after that you can click on OK, then it will come here, and again click on OK, then where it will come here, class library file. Sir, why class library file? So can we change the name? Yes, at the time of creation of project, whatever you want to change, you can change it. The same thing will work here. Okay, got it? So now done. Now the next step. What is the next step? Declare the namespace. So which namespace? Whatever we kept in our Windows class library, just give that namespace. Done. What is the next step? Create object to class library class. Okay. So people see here. We created and we declare two variables. Value 1 equal to what? Textbox 1 dot text. Value 2 is what? Textbox 2 dot text. And here, so what I will do, simply I will modify this. Sum equals to what is the syntax for calling a method, guys? Tell me. Perfect. Object name dot method name. What is the object name here? OBJ. OBJ dot. What is the method name here? This is our class library method. So what it is expecting? Okay. So two parameters. So from where we will get it? So just pass those two parameters here. Done. That's it. Now, I mean, I'm just whatever we wrote there, I'm just keeping there. Now we can, you can keep some here. Okay. Now, if I remove that namespace, what will happen? Can someone tell me? If I remove this one, what will happen? What error? Where error? Which error? Correct. Exception at the below object and method. See, people here, this class library doesn't exist because that namespace we don't have. How can we get it? See, by default, it is suggesting us. So see, we got it now. Okay. So now that issue got resolved. Where I added here it got added. Okay. So this is the one. Okay, just now, just check. I will show you the output. So 24 and 54. So people see it. The sum is, we got the sum. That's it. This is what class library using Windows Forms. Just note down. So what I'm planning, for all our rest of the course. So when I'm explaining the program or something, I'll just note down the steps before the program for C Sharp, ASP, and everything. So then what will happen? So those whoever is practicing their programs and all, so that will become easy for them for their future. Whenever they are practicing or whenever they are learning, that will become very much easy for them. That's what I'm feeling. So what you guys will suggest? Now onwards, I will just copy the program, whatever I'm changing. So if I'm writing abstract class, then what I will do, before that abstract class, I will write all the abstract related things. So like here, whatever I mentioned here, step 1, step 2, like that. So will that useful for you guys? What do you feel? Note down this one. I will do that. So from next, that's what I felt even in our MVC batch also. Initially, they got some confusion and all. After that, I explained so many times. After so many repetitions and all, now they are perfect. Okay. So now what I'm doing for MVC programs, I'm giving like this, and the people are practicing so easy, and they are getting outputs very well, and they are not confusing. That's at that point I thought like, okay, if we give everything like this, then no one will struggle or something. So from that time I started writing like this. Okay, so I will share those programs with comments also. So I will update all my programs, like 100 200 programs are there. For every program I will update in class only. So what will happen simply, I will just copy here and I will just update the program. Mm, correct. So basically in real time, for every program, if you are writing something, we have a option called information. See, if you write like this, here, those people used to keep like this, you know, so simply like this. For every program, we used to keep like this, for future purpose. We are following the same. So we now onwards we'll do that. We'll add this summary. Okay. Okay. Done. Everyone done? Alright. Fine. So I'll just show you the MVC book, how the ASP.NET and MVC for 5 minutes, and then we'll end the session. So demos. So in our MVC, we'll discuss about web technologies, ASP.NET, ASP.NET MVC, web API, ASP.NET Core, all these things. We'll see that. I will take care. So content, I will teach HTML basics, introduction to web application, ASP.technology, what is MVC, introduction, MVC Core 6.1, and web API core. Okay, all these things we'll cover in our web technologies class. Okay. So part that will cover same like this one only. How many days we complete in C#, same. And here is our book for ASP.NET. Entity framework also will cover. Not completely, but some part of entity framework. Why? Because our main focus nowadays, this ADO.NET is trending in the world, and everyone, 90% of projects will use ADO. That's the reason we'll mostly concentrate on. Okay, guys, and most important thing. So those who did not join any SQL class, or those who did not join any other, UI technologies. What is that? HTML, CSS related class, JavaScript related something. So if we have any new batch starting, immediately join them. Okay. So that is what, and this is our ASP.NET. So we don't teach complete ASP.NET, but the majority important concepts in ASP.NET I will teach. Okay. Stay up to state management techniques or something, that will be enough for. You don't need, again, I will explain in that session. See, some new people will come, and it will be for first 4 or 5 days, it will be demo. And after that, the regular classes will start. So in that demo classes, I will explain the course content and everything. The contents. Okay. So all these things with diagrams and all, how our C# look the same way, we kept everything. Okay. Let information, everything we have here. Once it is done, in this book itself, I included. Our same. How many days we completed in C#? That many days. See, the biggest advantage for you guys, trust me. So our batch will be the faster one. No one will complete within the time we completed. C# or ASP or any course. Okay. Mostly 2 months, 15 days. Or 3 months, worst case. That depends upon you people also. Why? Because If you people understand quickly everything, then I can finish them easily. Otherwise, for some topics, it will take one days, 2 days, 3 days also. Mm. So all this MVC. Here is my ITWORLD program, the same program which we discussed now. So see here, web API started. Okay. And .NET Core also will be here only. See, this is .NET Core related. All those things will be there. So this is what we are going to discuss. Anyone already going for MVC session here? What is that? You are going for MVC session? Yeah. Now tell me. Okay, then fine. That's it, guys, from my end. I hope we have learned everything in C#, and so I hope you guys, we will continue to learn and improve our skills in MVC also. Thanks all for joining. I will meet again on Wednesday with the new beginning.